going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartell, the editor-in-chief for TechnoWarriorstv, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the SkullCandy Push Active True Wireless Earbuds. Before I want to continue, I want to give a big, awesome shout out to Lucas Moore, the product line manager for SkullCandy, for making this unboxing possible, and also give a big shout out to Nelson Fortier from SkullCandy, and he is the big head honcho of marketing at SkullCandy. A big thank you and shout out. I think I got, hopefully I didn't butcher your name, to Fortier. Yeah, Fortier. And I want to give you a big, awesome shout out for your amazing support and everything. Big thank you to everyone at SkullCandy for making this unboxing video possible and review when it comes out. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a SkullCandy True. This is a true wireless earbud, and this is brand spanking new from SkullCandy. They have a brand new technology. It's kind of like an AI control technology and everything. So we get SkullCandy IQ, smart feature technology, push active true wireless sport earbuds. So great for any athletes or anything like that. Anyone who's in the sport environment, this is a good pair of earbuds for them. And you also get a little QR reader. Let me get the there we go. Focus in there. Okay. Alright, so basically there's that. So the front of the box does show the push actives themselves. They have a really cool looking case that you can put them in. It advertises hands-free voice control, 44 hours of battery, update features with the SkullCandy app, sweat water resistant, IP55 certified, and find your earbuds. You also got Spotify tap. Though nothing much on the other one of thing. Yeah, it's like nothing much on the right side. The left side shows you what comes in the box actually. There you go. Advertise that's Wi-Fi certified and all that fun stuff. And it's actually, yeah, and it'll even work with your Macintosh, or if you got a PC with a microphone, it'll work with that as well too. So if you got a PC with Bluetooth, took these puppies in it, you can use, and then you can use them on there too. Okay, get these out. Start coming out real nicely. And this is 100% recyclable packaging, which makes it very fungible friendly. So a little thing here tells you all the little instruction booklet for getting everything going. Very nice booklet. Instruction manual there. Here, Burton. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like these are the brand spanking new Burton editions, which is really, really cool. SkullCandy just recently launched their sponsorship with Burton. So, and they actually, Lucas actually sent us one of the brand spanking new ones. It's looking really sharp, ladies and gentlemen. So this is actually designed by Burton. SkullCandy Burton right there. Looking real sharp there. This is what the earbuds look like. Very sharp looking. This little box is going to contain our charging adapter and all the goodies you get with it. Different size ear tips, user's guide, push active series, okay, and the world's smallest USB Type-C cable. Look how tiny that is. It's a multi-reversible one, kind of like a reversible belt. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so a little bit of information before we end this unboxing here. The SkullCandy Burton series, basically, Burton Mod True Wireless Earbuds, the Burton Push Active True Wireless Earbuds. So, which makes it really, really cool. Jake Burton Comforter spent more than 4 decades advancing snowboard design and fighting for lift access for snowboard resorts around the world. Blah 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 blah. Probably Burton. So basically, this is basically designed by a snowboarder. So if you go up to Brighton Ski Resort, Park City Resort, so this is actually our connection. Basically, it's really, really cool because they helps out ski lifters. You know, as well as disabled snowboarders and everything. That way they can get on the ski lifts better and all that fun stuff. I mean, Burton is one of the best, well-renowned snowboarding companies out there. So, they are ridiculously awesome. And SkullCandy has teamed up with them for the Burton series, to, for a custom design. And deeper than a chain list, we're moving in the same direction. Always on the road, less traveled, you can't push the boundaries by blending in. So you can strut your naughty nature without finding the edge and stepping over. These limited edition push earbuds celebrate the fierce energy you'd find when venture far from the beaten path. They aren't for everybody, but if they were, we would not have made them. So basically, they are ridiculous. I mean, this is snowboarding. They're a gold medal Olympiast, snowboarder Olympiast, helped out designing these earbuds. Push Active is blah 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 blah. So basically, Olympic gold medalist Anna Garcia is a perfect example. The 3-time, basically, this thing, if it's about snowboarding, this has snowboarding all over it. So big shout out to Brighton Ski Resort. Big shout out to Park City Ski Resort. Also big shout out to one of my best friends, Matt Dixon, who works at Brighton Ski Resort. Big shout out to him. And ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much it that you get with the biscuits and gravy here. We get literature, we get different size ear tips, and the Burton edition at SkullCandy Push Actives themselves. These guys have 10 hours of battery in each earbud. Holy barnacles, that is a lot of battery. As you can see right here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing video of the Burton series of the SkullCandy Push Active Burton Series Edition. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button if you like this video. Hit that dislike button if you did not like this video. And if you adored, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap that like button in the face, and pow, right in the kisser. We'll see you in the video review of the SkullCandy Push Active.